Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the pros and cons between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. So, if you're undecided on which method to go with, hopefully this video will help you out so you can get started to making money online. But before I get into this video, I just want to say, if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to earning money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into this video. So first of all, I just want to explain the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. So affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a link that's coded to you, and whenever somebody clicks on that link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then that's when you earn a commission. And dropshipping is a little bit different. This is where you post something for sale on your own website, and then whenever somebody places an order for that item that you posted, you then go to another website where you can get that item for a cheaper price, and then you have it shipped directly to the customer. So whatever price that you mark up the item that you listed is a profit that you keep. So let me talk about the pros and the cons when you're using both of these methods. So with affiliate marketing and actually dropshipping, they're both easy to get started. The process is a little bit different, but I mean, you can get started right away with either one of these methods. With affiliate marketing, all you have to do is sign up to an affiliate program. Now there's a couple out there that are free to sign up with, such as clickbank.com and Amazon Associates. Now both of these programs offer a wide variety of affiliate products that you can promote. So whatever niche that you pick, more than likely you're going to find a product that's related to that niche that you can promote. Now with dropshipping, you can start your own website and then dropship items from Chinese online wholesale websites like AliExpress or Alibaba. But if you really want to get started fast, I mean, you can even dropship from websites like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and you can post those items for sale if you have an eBay account. Now this is something that I do here and there, but I usually prefer going with affiliate marketing. Now when it comes to dropshipping, you really have to be on top of your orders. So whenever somebody orders the product that you listed, then you have to fulfill that order. Orders on top of orders. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about this at all. All you're doing is promoting somebody else's product, and they have that whole system set up already. They fulfill the orders, they handle the payment, they accept the refunds. You don't have to worry about anything at all, just referring a customer to the product that you're promoting. Now, since you don't have to worry about this with affiliate marketing, this is how you can start to earn a passive income. You can make money in your sleep. As with dropshipping, you can make orders, you can get orders in your sleep, but in the morning when you wake up, you're going to have to fulfill those orders. Now with dropshipping, the benefit about using this method is that you can sell to your customers again and again. So if you have your own dropshipping website, if a customer comes to your website and they buy the product that you're promoting, you can sell to that customer again and again through email marketing. Now you can do this with affiliate marketing. It depends on the program that you're in. Some high ticket affiliate programs, they pay you commissions based on the lifetime of the customer. So if a customer buys another product later on down the line, these programs will still give you a commission. But most programs like ClickBank and Amazon Associates, they only pay you one time the customer buys that product. And usually the vendor markets other products to that customer later on down the line, so they get the commissions. Now, as I mentioned about affiliate marketing, the vendor of the product, they handle the refunds. When you are dropshipping, you're the one who's handling the refunds. So it can be kind of a hassle to deal with refunds with people who want their money back. You also have to deal with customer service when it comes to dropshipping. Now, When it comes to the quality of the products that you're promoting with affiliate marketing or the products that you're selling through dropshipping, both of these can be bad products. So you should do your research when it comes to the products that you're promoting. And you guys probably can't even see that. But either way, when it comes to the products that you're promoting, I recommend that you guys do your research when it comes to selling a product through dropshipping or promoting a product with affiliate marketing. But usually with affiliate marketing, most products are digital. So you don't have to worry about the quality of the product unless it's a bad digital product. Now, when it comes to availability for dropshipping, if you have a customer that places an order for an item that you list, and then you go to a Chinese wholesale website or any other website where you're sourcing your items from, there's a chance that that item might be out of stock. And when that happens, you're going to have unhappy customers. So that's a con when using dropshipping. Now with affiliate marketing, since I mentioned most of these products are digital, you don't have to worry about them running out of stock, because all they have to do is just download the product, or sometimes it is a physical product. But if it's not available, the vendor is the one who handles that. Now when it comes to dropshipping, you own the platform that you're dropshipping from if you're using your own website. So you're in charge of the payment method, the refunds, the price that you set. You don't have to follow anybody else's rules when you dropship from your own website. Now, if you're dropshipping from eBay, then you have to follow the guidelines and rules that eBay has. So anytime eBay wants to, they can ban you. If a customer complains about you, they can ban you for a certain amount of time or even prevent you from selling products. So the benefit about dropshipping is that you own the platform if you're using your own website to dropship from. Now, affiliate marketing, you don't own the platform either. The person who's selling the product that you're promoting, they're the one who sets the price. They set the refund policy, and they also set the commission rates that you earn as an affiliate. So there are limitations when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, on the plus side, when you're using dropshipping, you're more likely to get results faster. The reason why is all you have to do is set up your dropshipping website or an eBay store if that's what you're going to use, and then you find the sources which you're going to dropship, and then you just post ads. You just pay for advertisements, you drive traffic, and people start to buy your products. Now when it comes to affiliate marketing, this is more of a long-term game plan. It might take you a while to start getting customers to buy the affiliate products that you're promoting. The reason why is because you first have to build up trust with your audience so they feel comfortable buying from you. You have to build up authority and credibility with them. And the way that you do this is by creating content. Now this does take a long time to do. It depends on how good your content is and how consistent you are. But you can speed up the process of how fast you get results if you're paying for advertisements with affiliate marketing. So those are the benefits, the pros and cons of using affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. So I hope you guys learned a couple of new things in this video, and hopefully if you're undecided, this video kind of helped you make up your mind on which method to go with. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I personally prefer using affiliate marketing because it's a great way to earn a passive income. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.